I got fake people showing fake love to me straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. Okay, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Neat Take 2, back with another video.
Usually don't do this or talk this way. I didn't know your name, so I yell, hey, hey.
Today's video is going to be...
I'm hella hot. Like, I got a dress on, like a little summer dress. Like, why is it so hot?
Today's video is going to be my... It's going to be a little sunglass collection, my glasses collections or whatever. And I didn't start this until my friend wanted me to get these glasses at this store. She's like, these would be cute, because she's a stylist. Shout out to Deja. She's a stylist, so hit her up. I'll put her Instagram right here and in the description box. But yeah, I got some sunglasses. I don't have a lot. I don't even wear them like that, but I need to, especially sometimes, especially because I'm trying to be cute, you know. So the first pair of glasses I'm gonna share with y'all is one of the first ones I bought was these, and she picked these out. She picked these ones out. Like, cute. Yeah, no, yeah, I like them. I got these ones because they remind me of Zendaya. Zendaya has glasses like these, and I'm a big fan of Zendaya because of her. They're like really cute, right? I thought about putting my prescription glasses in here, this prescription lenses in here, but I don't need glasses like that. Again, Deja picked these out. Ooh. Very big, huh? Big and bold, you know. And I don't even like gold like that, but I look good in gold, which is crazy. My dad doesn't like, they dirty. My dad doesn't like these because they're like cop glasses, but they're cute. It's like a, I don't know if y'all can see, it's like a goldish, greenish, pinkish looking. Yeah. These ones is the ones back from 8th grade. Everybody used to have these, you know how they had the 3D glasses and they popped the frames out? These is not the 3D glasses. These is the ones with the blue lines. Yeah, everybody used to have these and I used to love them. I used to
Got orange ones, white ones, red and white ones.
yeah. So I had to get these. Then I got these pretty much the same, but the lenses is like a blue. You can see. And it matched my hair, you know. Real cute, looking good. Yeah, can y'all see? It's like blue. And I got these ones too because they were blue. These ones is blue too. I like them a lot. Like, I wore these ones once out because it matched my shoes. My shoes is blue. I like these. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Last but not least, my last pair of glasses. They were given to me because they were the last pair that he had. You know. Ray-Bans, you feel me? Like, you say Ray-Bans right there. Is it focusing? Look. Okay. Say right there. There. And like, I like them because they're gold. Why am I putting right there? I'm gonna start wearing them when I go out. Like, go out.
Like, not just for videos, you know, or at the street. I don't want to break them or lose them or anything like that.
But like, this is cute. Like, I would put my prescription in these ones too.
Look at me, looking cute.
Short little video, quick little video, because I need content. I need to post. I need a lot more videos than what I got now. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, share, support, you know. Let me stop.